Hey guys, so we got the 30 sedan back from paint. Now remember, Sean, the customer brought it in. The roof was bubbling quite bad, had lots of blisters, I should say. And Sean worked his magic. He stripped it the bare metal and redid all the roof from the belt line up. Of course, the car's black. You're going to see here in a second. And Jared got in there and he did a beautiful job on painting this car. So the owner's on his way to pick it up. I just gave it a quick rinse off here to get the dust off it. If you go to my Instagram page, Rick's_Old-Time-Garage, you'll see the video of it there too. There's a little video, but here we go again with the video. So, excuse me. So, pretty much, we went from this line up. That way there, you're not going to feel the tape line or a ridge there, and you feel absolutely nothing. Now, believe it or not, there are several blacks out there, and we seem to hit them. We seem to hit it with this one. We seem to just nail it. Let me get the hell around this way. But I mean, look at how straight Sean has got that roof. This guy just works miracles. I have probably, and I'm not bragging, but I'm going to toot my own horn here. I probably got the best, and I mean it, I probably got the best body man, and at least out here all in the Fraser Valley. This guy's just incredible. It's just crazy. He's extremely fussy, he's meticulous, and that's what you kind of want. I mean, you know, it's got to be done right, because all these guys come to you and they say, I don't want it to be show car, but at the end of the fucking day, when they all drive out of here, they all like, well, what about this, what about that? Because at the end of the day, they all want show car for the low budget price. So you just don't get that, man. But Sean, he just works magic. So like I say, we went from the, you know, we went from the belt line up. Just super happy at this. What a fun little car to drive too. I drove it over to, well actually Chris drove it over to the paint booth, and I just drove it home. Gas pedal though is hard as a fucking rock. But I tell you, she's got lots of balls, this car. She gets up and goes. So if you want to see this car in person, you want to see our work, provided the weather holds out, Norm, the owner of the car, is going to be at the Chilliwack Car Show on Sunday. And he has invited me to come down there too and sit with him and a group of the boys. So I don't know, I'm not much of a car show guy, but you never know. I may go down there and have one or two wobbly pops, that's about it. And check it out. We'll see where it goes. Like I say, I'm more the guy that likes to drive into a car show on the outside, take a look at them and leave again. I got better things to do with my day than sit around for 8 hours. But, who knows. So, there you are. So again, guys, like I said, we're doing something a little different here. On my Instagram page got completely lost. It got deleted, got erased, whatever the fuck happened to it, happened to it. Doesn't matter, it's done, it's over, it's all good. We are back up on there. We lost a lot of you guys out there. We're taking this to a new level, like I told you. Some of you guys have gotten hold of me and said, holy shit, Rick, I like the new scene. It's not just about the shop and the cars. Yeah, I'm showing you vintage furniture, some local bands that are in town here. I'm throwing some posters up for some car shows. No, I will not be at these car shows or some of these events I'm showing you. I'm just showing you cool shit that I know about. That's all I'm doing, because it's all related in the end. So that's what I'm up to. That's what I'm doing. So hopefully you guys like it. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. And look us up at Rick's_Old-Time-Garage on Instagram. We will be putting it next week. It'll be back on our website page. I've got to get that straightened out next week, and we will be getting the intros back on the videos here too. I've got a young guy that's going to be coming in here, and this guy works magic with the camera and doing intros. That's all he does is Instagram. He does it for, or not Instagram, he does YouTube for a living. So he's going to come in here and he's going to fix this up big time. Okay guys, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time, and we will see you next time. Big thumbs up.